Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can redeem the Mirror Drive tool, a pro version for free. It's my own tool, so no restrictions. I will give you a coupon code in the end of this video, and you can use that code for the getting the trial of the 7 days of the premium of this tool. Okay, so only 5 members will valid for that coupon. After 5 members redemptions, it will auto expire. Okay, so simply let's start the video. Before starting, it's for only educational purpose. This is disclaimer. I will be not responsible for anything. Okay, so if you have not joined our WhatsApp channel, so simply click on this one and join our WhatsApp channel. So simply start our video. So here I have cloned one folder in my drive. Okay, as in front of you, it's a clips folder. So I was just done it. Let me refresh and check. Okay, we have done it. So now here you can see a simple. Let me show you again from a start. So let's create a new account on this tool. So simply you'll find this type of uh, home page or landing page there. Okay, click on the sign up. Just your name. Just I am going with this name. Okay, you can use any email. You can use temp mail, but I'm using my official email. Okay, and just type your password. I'm going with my password. Create account. No. So this is a simple process to create the account. Now it's done. Now you need to connect your Google Drive. So simply there is something that you I want to show you. This thing. Okay. Where is it? Yeah, this thing. Google has not verified this app. So what is this? What the mean by this pop-up? What the mean by this notification? Why is this error here? Because my verification is under process. Your branding is currently under review. Okay, you can view more details. So verification status is not approved yet. For that you are facing this type of issue. If you trust on me, so you go ahead, click on the advanced and go to the this link. Okay, if you don't trust on me, so you can leave this video, you can go ahead. Okay, where you want to go. Okay, now it's also asking why this app is has been not verified by the Google. So if you want to go if you want to use this tool, so you can use any temp Gmail, no worry. If you trust on me, so you can use our own Gmail. Okay, so now click on this tick and continue. That's it. Now it's saying connecting Google Drive. Google Drive have been connected successfully. That's okay. Now it's your free account here. Okay, if you here is profile page. So let me show you more options. If you refer someone, okay, so you will find 3 days per raffle. Okay, you will find the 3 days pro version of per raffle. Okay, if you refer someone and someone sign up with your this link, so you will find the 3 days of premium for free. Okay, so it will auto detect your referral program and it will give you the 3 days of pro for free. Okay, now here's the option for the pricing. If you want to upgrade your membership for the 3000, it's for the yearly. Okay, for the $20, as you can see, you can read here what's the benefit each and everything. Now here is the coupon option. So in the last I will tell you the coupon, so you just paste the coupon code and a dream coupon and you will find the simply pro version of that of this one. Okay, so simply this is a simple process to use this one. Now how you can clone this? Simply just copy the clone. Okay, well, now simply copy the drive that you want to clone. So I want to clone this drive link. Okay, clips. Yeah, this one. So it's a public link of the Google Drive. So I'm going to copy this one. Okay, and now paste it here. The target that you want to clone in your Google Drive. Let me show you first. Is it in my Google Drive or not? So let's see my drive. My drive is 100% free. There is nothing. Okay, it's completely free as in front of you. It's 100% free. So simply what you need to do, I'm going to clone this one. So click on the start cloning. Okay, the free user have only 10 GB. Okay, for the month. if you are pro user, so you can go with the pro. Okay, so that's it. Now as in front of you, when I just click on this one clone, and it's create a folder in our drive, and it's just as in front of you, it's cloning the videos in our drive as in front of you. You can watch it. Okay, so is cloning the data from one drive to other drive without downloading and uploading is very useful for you. If you have any problem, so let me know. Okay, it's the advanced options for the pro member. And now it's time to reveal the coupon code. Just let me pause the video for a while. Okay, great. So the coupon is OPS team. Okay, as in front of you, the coupon is OPS team. Now click on the redeem coupon. When you click on the redeem coupon, so a magic will be happen here. Your free trials and in 3 days. So you have pro now for the 3 days. Now open the dashboard, and in the advanced clone option, now these are unlocked. Okay, so you can add the credits in here if you like. If you want to rename all these files, and in the last of all files you want to add the credit of your name, so you can just put your name here. Okay, and it will rename all the files. Okay, also you can include and exclude the data, and I will be add more and more features in this one, and you will find more subscriptions and more the benefits with this tool. Hope so you like this video. So this is a referral program. Here from here you can disconnect. Also I will add more features to upload your to rename your profile, to change your email, to change your DP or something. Okay, so I will update in the future more. Okay, so hope so you like this video. So this is our coupon. Just this coupon is valid only for the 5 users. Okay, so go ahead, get the free trial now. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video, so hit a like on this video, and let's meet again.